This is your extreme weather outlook here on this Friday, the last day of April, which means tomorrow it's going to be May. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We are watching high wind warnings in the Northeast today. We also are watching some fire weather concerns across the nation and some severe weather and heavy rain the next several days in the southern United States. But we are watching an area of low pressure moving offshore and rapidly deepening as we go throughout the day today. This is going to produce some pretty strong winds here across the Northeast down into the mid-Atlantic, where we do have some high wind warnings and wind advisories in place. High wind warnings do include Philadelphia and Baltimore today. Through 7 p.m. this evening, we could see peak wind gusts up above 50 miles per hour for areas like New York City, Philadelphia, and D.C. Breaking down some of those peak wind times. In New York City, it looks like our peak winds will be late this afternoon, early this evening, up in that 50 to 55 mile per hour range. Just about 55 miles per hour, 56 miles per hour here in Philadelphia as we go late this evening into the overnight hours before decreasing overnight. And then as we look at Washington, D.C., our peak winds will be up around 55 miles per hour as well, again, late this afternoon into the early evening hours. We are watching fire weather concerns as well today across portions of the northern plains and into the mid-Atlantic states due to strong winds and low humidity values, allowing any fires that form to quickly spread. Then as we head into the weekend, we are watching some fire weather concerns across portions of Colorado, New Mexico, into Texas as well. Speaking of Texas, we are watching a system that's going to be very slow moving here across the southern U.S. That's going to produce some severe weather and pretty heavy rain the next several days. We are watching a marginal risk of severe weather across southern Texas today, across portions of Texas and Louisiana on Saturday, a slight risk moving eastward into Sunday. And then our next system will bring in another round of potential severe weather early next week, but some areas of Texas could see over 3 inches of rain through the weekend.